Welcome to the Ogbonge #1 show on top of television. As it is hot, every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas sake of say all of the major issues inside Nigerian politic arrangement and every other important thing when they affect us as Nigerians. We go carry and come, drop them the way when the thing they come out smoke, come give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way when the thing be you for body. It don't tell since I talk this one, but I go emphasize. Say, we be the only television station when love you and when believe say, if you talk, everybody must hear. Now, why we can't give you now 3 telephone lines with 2 free lines when we say, you go to call the chook man for inside the matter. My name na Ezo Go Chokwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Samuel stay concerning political matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers who don't carry that same Ogbonge program coming away again as it is hot. That political program where the information are they at least they sunshine with different political activities where they happen for our border Nigeria. Yes, now a start of a new week, and as usual, we will give now all the new stories where happen over the weekend. At least so that we will feel they do it, we will feel they relate well, know as we will take do it collectively. They move this country forward. We will also open our phone line so that at least when that time comes, now we also feel called contribute and give our own views on any issue on ground. My name never see change. My name is Ankubi, and this now as it is hot.
We go begin our story with one action thing when happen for inside Goza, for the northeastern part of Nigeria. Everybody remember say Goza, if you check them, now like the capital of Haramistan, that is to say, now the place where we say Boko Haram Jaguda people talk say, now from here we go to carry our badness, they enter different parts of Nigeria. And some people look and talk say it is very strategic to Boko Haram Jaguda people because if you stand for Goza, throw stone, enter inside Sambisa forest, you know go far before you land inside there. But we hear gist say civil authority, they don't hand them over back to Nigerian people when they inside Goza town. And make a break and make everybody understand. It gets one mobile police unit, division, command when they inside that Goza. They talk saying one of the best for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Everybody go remember say for 2014, Boko Haram Jaguda people then overrun this particular place. And then by some of our mobile police officers, some they run, they don't see them till today. But our soldier people, them don't enter inside that place since don't dislodge this Boko Haram Jaguda people, pursue them, come up for inside this place. Come talk say now when our 2 legs don't dey here chin, time don't reach for us to hand over back to civil authority. And the DIG, when we say they sent from the first headquarters for Abuja, say making go there, go hoist the flag of Nigeria and the Nigerian police force, that is, he go raise them up on top of the pole to show, say, yes, now Nigeria, they in charge of this particular place. In carry waka entered here this weekend, and in Tanda Girigba, salute to the flag of Nigeria. Come talk, say, forever and ever, Boko Haram Jaguda badness, they no go see them anywhere for inside this country again. Plenty people come to ask questions, say, at least for about 8 months, we don't see situation where we say we pursue Boko Haram come up for some parts of Nigeria. It be like say now only Sambisa forest then they and they never get the ginger to come back. Some people talk say Boko Haram they quarter to die. Other people talk say with some kind of things when still happen for weekends. Say some people enter some kind of communities about 5 villages go cause badness. Say it be like say this Boko Haram Jaguda people then go they try they fight. And we join the government to talk say and not be just technically we go defeat Boko Haram. We want defeat them totally so that Nigerians go sleep with their 2 eyes closed. No, say for inside this our country, we dey in peace.
Yes, and from them, we can carry them, enter into waiting. Oga Olufalaye and talk. I don't fire back on top of the waiting, on top of the $2.1 billion arms money where they say instead do waiting. Some are saying instead getting own share. And Oga Olufalaye don't come and talk. Say look. The relate nothing even related. Say the money we collect is collect for a purpose, and now that purpose he know of. Say nothing concern him and Dasuki. Say he no get any relationship with Dasuki at all. Say no Dasuki. Say Dasuki no know him at all. Say the only time where he know say he get relationship with Dasuki now between 1986 and 1987. And what happened this period? That time now him be the Secretary General of that is the Secretary of the country as at that time. While this Oga Dasuki now be the ADC to the then a military head of state, that is Oga Babangida. So only that time they get relationship. So after that time, say nothing concern them. Say everybody just they mind their own business. That Suku they mind their own business, they mind their own business. But also as this election can come up, now one of the Bunga people for PDP, which is Oga Tony Aneni, come carry visit, come in place for Ondo State. Come say, Oga Falayi, we know say you be well-respected man. You be person we say the country they also at least they respect, they look up to. And for that reason, we want make we even relate with you so that since now no get presidential candidate for our party, at least make na join body with us, maybe PDP, support our president and the then president so that we go fit know as we go take at least structure this country well. Oga Falayi come look and say, look. It is not about structuring income. It is not about say I want collect money. See, if you want to make a support now, these are the terms where una go need to meet up. It can't outline the terms where the PDP go need to meet up with their own people so that at least they go know say yes, the support, then go do it in, they go fit give them fully 100%. And now Oga Tony and Nico say if na that one's not a small thing, we can always work it out. Say if na that one say in don't promise say all this is then the man say they go do it in, they go respond to them. Now Oga Olufala say if that is the case, I have where the money carry and give and say nothing concern with that. Concern them at all with Oga Dasuki. The callers can this same question say, look, but we hear say the money somehow you know go around because a section of your party, faction of your party, that's a section of your party from Ogun State come and talk say, look, on a share money, you know reach our own end at all. And now you can talk say, hey, say instead they surprised say the money no even reach it because they know say the committee where they set up to take to share the money around. Say they know say at least they allocate 8 million. And then they figure where you call to state and Ogun State that money people where they allocate 8 million to what they will give. And since we get like that something states, say in this surprise they say they don't even get their own. Because say but when it comes to the issue of say the money, say $2.1 billion money, say in this say make anybody not even ask and say no be Dasuki in collect the money from.
From that gist, we go enter the one we get to do with pipeline Gboa inside the south part of Nigeria. Everybody remember, say, after court, when they inside this country, issue bench warrant for the arrest of Mr. Government Ekwuemu Polo, a.k.a. Tompolo. Say some kind guys enter some of our oil installations for inside the Niger Delta, come blow up some of our oil installations for about 3 days. Our JTF, the Joint Task Force, our soldier people, when we say their work now to protect these oil installations, they come talk say they don't enter inside all these towns and they don't make some kind of arrest. But the talk person when we say they advise our Oga President on top of media and publicity, Oga Femi Adesina don't come and talk say make the communities them, the Ijaw communities them when they for Baramatu Kingdom, make them do well to bring out some of these people when we say they know say they follow for this badness. He talk say this no be time to talk say this person na my brother, this person na my pikin. Say now na the time to put our country first. Say na patriotism na suppose they ginger and fuel all of us for this country. Say those people when blow all these oil installations, say they don't make the country they lose plenty money. And as the country they lose plenty money, the things when we say we suppose they use money do, we know they do them. As we know they use our money do what we suppose they do, plenty people they suffer for inside this country. In talk say na the greater good and the good for every Nigerian versus the fact say you talk say this person na my brother or this person na my pikin. Me talk say any information when anybody get, make them carry and give our JTF people. Say they go catch these people and they go make sure say they pay for this bad thing when they do. And you know go fear because nothing will happen to you.
Yes, and from them, we'll carry and go straight to Oga John Kerry, who be the United States Secretary of State. He don't carry the anti-corruption campaign of Oga Muhammad Buhari. That is done network. When I mean network, he don't spread them around to the entire world to make them hear, make them know as leaders they take what say, look, see the campaign where Oga Muhammad Buhari, the campaign about corruption. See the fight. Say I want to make now they hear about us so that at least we go feed the collectively they fight corruption. He talk this thing for Davos for Switzerland last week, when you come out and talk, say, look, say when it comes to the issue of corruption, at least if you say everybody they fight corruption the way Oga Muhammad Buhari they fight, and I say at least things for better. Say a lot of money where they're supposed to channel into a lot of things about fighting terrorism and also developing countries. Say people could just look themselves and say no. This money is not suitable for fighting. This money is not suitable for fighting terrorism, or rather, this money is not suitable for developing our countries. In fact, the way this money is suitable now for my own pocket, for our own personal need, and for that reason, make our pocket. You can't look say if everybody they work would do like this, say at least say things not going to move forward. But the fact that we get people where they fight against corruption, at least they see the tunnel, they see light beyond the tunnel. Say, look, things are getting better. Now, wetin Oga John Kerry talk last week be this.
Another important gist when they catch cold for inside Obodo Nigeria, on top of plenty people mind. Now the fact say over the weekend we hear say the federal government they don't hike, that is to say they don't put money inside the price of kerosene when they call HHK, household kerosene. The reason are because of say our government mean they pay some kind of money before to use augment the cost of kerosene so that if Nigerians they buy them before they go they buy them 50 naira per liter. But based on the way when it's in there now and the new template when the PPPRA carry come out now 83 naira now in NMPC them go they sell kerosene. But other people will sell higher than that particular amount. Plenty Nigerians don't come and talk say una want us say for 2016 make we tighten our seat belt. Why he come be say una they contribute to that belt when we say we don't already tighten already. The thing come be like say the thing they strangle our waist and it be like say we no go fit swallow anything and make it dey inside our belly again. Other people come talk say if we check am say some kind people through badness when they do they instead of make they use this money they do this subsidy as they talk and na their pocket they enter but time don't need for government to carry money from anywhere where excess they use am do other things so that inside this our country we go happy. Say after all some people they know they see the kerosene buy at 50 naira and they call they encourage other people say if time don't need for una to use gas make una go they use gas so that this thing no go affect una plenty. All of this action to wey happen from weekend we don't carry come we go drop am down. Allow you to chook mouth inside. Talk am the way anything pay you for body so that those who they lead this country go here and take the necessary action to move this our country forward. Nkubi, this talk when we say the United States Secretary of State, Oga John Kerry talk. Na indication.
I don't even suspect say because the way you first call Nkubi, fear don't they catch me saying if this young man on a Monday morning make mistake at launch any attack on me. Any verbal attack on me over one of the stories we don't read. The way I for don't take easy with you, but I come with make a relax. That's my relaxing spirit. Sometimes say relax, Nkubi. Hear what he has to say. Until when they talk this one. Okay, ride on. No, ride on. I mean, this is allowed.
You know
Come
why?
on.
You know why?
Talk.
You know why they pity you?
No, the time say they pity me. Look, of all things, don't use the word pity for me.
I must pity you.
No.
It's my right to pity you.
For what? Give me a reason for pitying me.
Thank you very much. In this instance, I want to pity you.
You don't have to. No. Look, listen.
I go quote one of our elders that they talk. He who comes home with ant infested waiting firewood must do what? Must expect the visit of what? Lizard.
So who you can't they drop all these ones for?
If you know how to join two things together,
no,
you go don't know where they carry this stuff.
Drop this program for.
I call your name.
You look me finished.
You talk say I want to attack you.
You don't become elder statesman.
What do you remember for your body?
Where they drop?
What do you remember for your body to attack?
Oh, what are you saying?
If you are
no.
What is there to be attacked?
What are you insinuating?
What is there to be attacked?
What try talk?
If I attack you, you go disappear now.
Well, no.
If I attack you, you go disappear.
As a matter of fact, right now you are attacking my personality. In fact, you are even attacking my height. You are attacking my height. My height. Because you don't make it very clear to Nigeria. Say, look, if you attack me, only God knows the kind of attack where you want to attack me. Whether na physical attack or only God knows.
What do you bring your height enter this matter now?
No, you don't tell me now. You don't from their words you go know.
I go quote another thing when our elders
quote. If you quote another thing, you make me vex. No quote another thing.
The Iroko tree. You don't hear me? I know say you go know these things because you are a farmer. The Iroko tree is too tall for what? For you to climb. You understand? You hear that? That one I to tell you say even if you use lift or ladder, you no go fit climb Iroko tree.
So who is Iroko tree? You are seeing yourself as Iroko tree.
Now.
No, you are seeing yourself as Iroko tree.
Make I quote on that thing.
You saying directly, you are still attacking on my personality, on my height.
Make I quote on that thing.
Oh, you try to compare height now. No. Say you tall. Me, I dey. Make
I quote on that thing.
Don't just raise that your hand telling me you are quoting what are you quoting? Don't give me those quotes. I'm not interested in your quote. This same quote I can quote. Just hold on to your quote. Let me hold on to my own respect. Talk what you want to talk about and John Kerry.
Okay.
Thank you very much. It's a Monday morning.
Thank you for accepting the olive branch.
I'm not accepting anything.
The olive branch.
I'm not accepting anything. Just go ahead with the issue will get on ground.
This
it is so early for...
You go just use your hand and give yourself hypertension. You see me, I'm looking calm and relaxed on a Monday. It's very, very obvious. If like say you go church for the first time in 16 years, come on give offering. You don't plan say you give 15 naira. You can't make mistake, drop 500, your last card. You look like who even try come safe. See as you vibrate, they shake. On a Monday morning, are you not supposed to be relaxed?
Chukudi.
What happened to Saturday and Sunday?
Chukudi.
You now you won't leave story when they talk. You want to see attack now.
Listen.
You want to see attack. Now I'm ready to attack you.
I am bringing them. See.
Don't bring your voice down. Now I'm ready to attack you.
If you know it's good for you, if you know it's good.
Not they threaten me for national television. Not they threaten me for national television. I have a military background.
And go straight to
I have a military background. Don't they threaten me for national television?
Because the moment that thing don't come out from my body now, the next way you go see from me no go like am.
Wetin wan comot for your body? Which space you get to use whole things when you wan comot for your body?
Chukudi.
Which space you get to hold the way you wan comot for your body?
Look.
Now you dey find attack and I will attack you.
For the last time.
Now you dey find attack and I will attack you.
For the last time on the national TV, for the last time, go straight to your story now.
Exactly. Allow me to do this story and
Go
do
straight
it
to
well.
your story right
Allow
now.
me to do this story and do it well. Oga John Kerry don corroborate wetin we don dey talk since for this country say corruption no be something wey be say we go dey manage for this our obodo Nigeria. E dey very very evident say if we dey fight corruption, corruption go fight back. But if we come fold our arms, come look say e don be normal thing, e don be part of us, na im be say wahala don dey for this country. Oga John Kerry talk am clear and he give two examples. He give the example of Iraq and the example of Nigeria. He be talk am say when the prime minister of Iraq, the present prime minister take over office, say when they check the payroll of the country, that is the account when they follow pay money, about 50,000 soldiers wey no dey exist. Na in somebody put their name inside, they comot money. And he talk say this money pass over $300 million. Can you imagine say for country people go dey comfortable? Soldier wey be say that they protect, you just fabricate numbers. People name put say they be soldier and they know they exist and you dey collect the money. It is wickedness.
No,
and he give example of our country, our president say, and definitely everybody know say if America don't talk, many of us they like those of us wey don't travel out where we know all these kind of things. If America don't talk, many people they accept say wetin America talk na im dey correct.
Abeg, Oga Bassey, talk to us. You don't travel out where.
Abeg, I won't talk to now.
Good morning, Oga Bassey.
Good morning, my brother. How
Yes, we dey hear you, Jare. Right on, we dey hear you.
Now the matter for this kerosene matter, now I want chook mouth.
Abeg, feel free.
Abeg, this matter, we don't, as we talk am before, we don't tighten our seatbelt too much for this kind of country. How man could do it now when kerosene on the rooster about 80-something dollars in the talk? Waiting we could take cool, firewood don't finish for bush now. Abeg, when I help us talk to the Ogaga president. May he look at what, before he carry and go up, may he know, so he do some kind things, what he see, he could favor us first. No, we say every day, we just wake up, here, say this one don't go up. No, may he put some labels for ground, may he do some homework before, we know, say, may he no carry and go up, but there are some things you need to do, so that this thing go
feel balanced.
Go be balanced. No, we say just wake up one morning, say, okay, see, $100. So by maybe another time, I go wake up, say, rice don't be 50,000 per bag. So it could become, it could be so worse. So make small money where they recover from all this load or whatsoever. Maybe they use and put something for grant. So from that side, we go start something.
Thank you,
Oga Bassey, thank you very much for this your important
much.
contribution. I've been one take am easy before I reach that issue of kerosene because I know say when I start I will call you out so that you go come explain to Nigerians why it be say instead of to alleviate the condition of Nigerians na to dey compound am. Oga Mike dey call us from Lagos. Oga Mike, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Mike, good morning. We get Nkechi from Abia. Good morning, Nkechi.
Morning.
Good morning.
Huh?
Good morning, they hear you.
Good morning, I can hear you.
Continue. Contribute.
Okay, I'm talking about the insurgency in
Okay.
Northeast.
Abeg, if you bring down the volume of your television. Oga Nkechi.
Chukwude.
I dey hear you, Oga Ikechi.
Chukwude.
I dey hear you.
I'm talking about the insurgency in the Northeast.
Okay, we dey hear you right
Continue.
on.
Okay. You know, we're in Nigeria. I'm speaking. We're in Nigeria.
Oga Nkechi, abeg, you better say you go call us back because you better say bring down the volume of your television so we go fit hear you abeg. Try call us back, but if they call us back, and this one also goes to every caller who go call us abeg. If na wan talk to us, me na ensure say na bring down the volume of your television so that you no go dey at least distort the communication here. Abeg. So Chukwudi, you say you want enter into the kerosene matter.
I go make I finish with John Kerry first.
Okay.
Make I finish with John Kerry before I enter inside the kerosene matter because the issue of the kerosene.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Would they hear you?
Okay, they hear you.
Okay, I said I'm speaking about the insurgents in the northeast.
Okay.
We see, at my own point of view, I see this as a political something. It's impossible for the administration to tell us that they are doing their best. If I thought they are doing their best, how come these people resurface from nowhere? Only God knows. Can they press them? You see, they are telling those people to return to their homeland.
Oga Ikechi.
Sir, Chukwudi.
You dey talk say make government beg these insurgents.
No, not beg. How are the occupants of their hometown?
Okay.
How are they sure that they are safe if they return back to their
they are back to their community?
How are they sure their safety is guaranteed?
Then go they safe. Okay.
How are they sure?
Oga Ikechi, thank you very much for that important question. We really appreciate the question when you ask. It's very, very important to know whether, as our soldier people don't hand over back to civil authority, whether people go feel live confidently for that place and their mind go there at rest. It's very, very important, and we go address that particular issue and hope say we will get situation when we say wahala no go there. Oga Isaac, they call us all the way from Benue State. Oga Isaac, welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Isaac.
I want to comment on the kerosene stuff.
I bet feel free.
Okay. This thing where they increase money and then can give the other stations permission to increase their own money. It means say we go buy from like 150 from there. You know, too good now. So make government try to see our plight. My men help us.
Okay, Isaac.
Yes. So now just waiting. I want to contribute.
Okay.
If NNPC will say 83 and others they say anyhow. See, they'll come hike the price. I know say if we go NNPC station, the chances of getting the kerosene there, they're very limited.
Isaac, okay, we don't hear you. Thank you very, very much, Isaac. And I want to believe say the same way they raise your voice on top of this matter. Now the same way Nigerians go also they raise their own voice, and I also believe say at least the people waiting for the authority, waiting for the right authorities, they also hear us. And then on the second, I don't believe say everybody go just every kerosene selling and depot go on get their own prices. Say okay because of say this thing make they can't give the license to sell any price. I won't believe say a particular fixed price go day. Where we say at least where we say consumers go fit get access to say okay see wetin be the real price or where they will fit buy am for. So
you get filling station when you dey fix the price. Which one you won't believe say fixed price go day? We tell you say they don't increase, they don't come out subsidy for kerosene. Say NNPC when government fit put control over, they say 83. Any other person fit say wetin pass am. You dey talk say you won't believe say they get fixed price. Which fixed price? People they raise question here. They tell us say for this country, make government they try to do wetin go make well.
Say we go come back to this issue. Say we want to talk about
you have opened a can of worms. You have opened a can of worms.
See.
I go come and talk say you won't believe. What do you won't believe?
Why are you picking on me? Why are you saying at me go? Say na me increase this thing.
Thank you very much.
Isn't it alright to come and talk and say okay, we for done like this, so just go down.
Anywhere
analyze the matter.
I see broom. Anywhere I see you, I see broom.
You don't do you.
And as the representative of the people, I go come here, they always they talk.
And even with an umbrella, how many things are shield? Waiting are shield, when are shield enough?
Which umbrella?
We get caller from Kaduna. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I beg, raise your voice up. Make we also hear you. And what you get to contribute on today's matters?
Yes, sir. This Nigeria, we have to pray.
Okay.
And God will help. We have to pray. Everything does scatter. So we have to pray. Everybody should be praying for us.
Okay.
So that's what I have for you.
Thank you very much. Oga Bidemi from Kaduna. Oga Bidemi don't go spiritual. He talks say make all of us they pray. They're very, very important, make we dey pray. But as we dey pray, make we dey do work too. Because they say prayer without action, na zero, na anything go score at the end of the day. As Nigerians, as we dey pray, we go dey do the one way we say we go fit do well to support our government and also help people when they around us. Because if we just dey pray, they look say angel go come from heaven, come do everything, make it dey okay. Now him be say wahala go dey. Could be back to you about this kerosene subsidy.
I beg you, before you go back, I beg me go break, Jerry, because Blast don't
but
get...
you go see answer this question.
Make we go break.
But you go see answer this question.
Break for now.
Make we come back for this break.
No, the point is, make we go break.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.